All right, standard 5.2 is horizontal asymptotes. So the first one is number 4. I have y equals 3x minus 3 over x plus 2. So my degree on the top is 1. My degree on the bottom is 1. So that means I have the same degree. So I am using Betsy. Bottom equals top. I use my coefficients. So my coefficient on top is 3. My coefficient on bottom is just 1. So I have y equals 1 as my horizontal asymptote. For number 5, let's see. So on the bottom here, I am multiplying these two monomials together. So when I multiply them out, I'm going to get x plus 2 over x squared and then something else. But the important part is that the degree on the bottom here is 2 and the degree on the top here is 1. So I am using Bobo, bigger on bottom, and so my horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Number 6 asks me to look back at the graph of number 2 and state the slant asymptote. So the first thing I want to find is my y-intercept. So I'm going to come up here, and it looks like it crosses at 2. So I know that my y-intercept is going to be 2. And then the last thing I need to figure out is my slope. So if I go up 1 and over 1, I hit the line again. So that means my slope is 1. So that means my slant asymptote is just y equals x plus 2. Yes, the y is important. All right, number 7 asks me to find the slant asymptote. I have to remember how to do that. So this is when I have a degree on top that's bigger than the bottom. That's BOTS. And I take the bottom, x plus 8 in this example, and I divide it into the top, which is x squared plus 7x minus 1. So I ask myself, how many times does x go into x squared? Or what can I multiply x by to get x squared? And that is just x. So x times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. Now I am subtracting these whole things. So this is going to become a minus, and this is going to become a minus. So I'm going to get negative x minus 1 here. I brought down that minus 1 from right here. And then I ask myself, what do I need to multiply x by to get negative x? And that would be negative 1. So we get negative x minus 8. And again, this is subtracting this whole thing. So this becomes a positive, and this becomes a positive. So we would get positive 7 as our remainder, which is not the important part. The important part is that our slant asymptote is y equals x minus 1.